My Eurovision final predictions, but based on the volcanoes in that country. Why not? There'll be 5 rounds to this, so either fast forward this or stick around to find out how I'm going to do it. These are our 26 countries that we are going to enter into the competition, just like are in the Eurovision final, so now it's time for round 1. Simple enough, does the country have any volcanoes? And we can already reduce that list of 26 down to 12. So our 12 contenders going into round 2 are Norway, Spain, the United Kingdom, Iceland, Italy, Germany, Greece, Armenia, Portugal, Denmark, France and the Netherlands. Some of those might be a surprise, but have a look at some of them and you'd be surprised that some of them do have volcanoes. The ones that are sneaking their ways in there might be Denmark. We're considering that as Greenland. Greenland does have some volcanic history, but also Greenland is just a really cool geological place, so we're throwing it in there. Round 2. Are the volcanoes recently active? For this, I'm choosing the last 2,000 years or so, and we can reduce that list of 12 down to 10. So within that bracket, we have now lost Denmark and Germany. Round 3. Are the volcanoes in this country exclusively on overseas territories of that country? And that's going to reduce this list of 10 down to 6. So advancing into round 4, we now have Spain, Iceland, Italy, Armenia, Greece and Portugal. Spain and Portugal I'm just about letting into this bracket because the Canary Islands and the Azores are autonomous regions of that country and they're actually very close, as opposed to the UK where the overseas territories are thousands and thousands of miles away. So that's 6 going in for round 4. This round is our semi-final, going to take our 6 contenders down to 3, with the question of are these volcanoes actually in the mainland of that country, and that reduces our 6 down to our 3 finalists of Iceland, Italy and Armenia. Time for our final with our final 3. This is going to be subjective based on my opinion on our European volcanic final. In 3rd place we have Italy. Putting it there based on basically how popular it already is in the media and movies, and you see Italian volcanoes all over the place. Let's try something different. In 2nd place, for a similar reason, Iceland, which means our winner of the Eurovision Volcanic Final and getting the 12 points is Armenia. So if you want to do a bit of a research deep dive, go and check out the volcanoes of Armenia. They are very cool. There's an entire Armenian volcanic field. They've not been very active in the past 100 years or so, but there is the potential for them to be active in the future. There's a lot more research happening there now, and it's just a very cool volcanic place and somewhere that you might not have known about before. Thank you for joining us.